Okay, today we're featuring a 2015 Honda Pilot EXL. It's modern steel metallic in color. It's got 95,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Okay, it's a local trade. It's been serviced regularly here at McKenney, Salinas Honda. Let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Okay, it does have the nice running boards here. Driver's side of the Pilot's in great shape. It does have rear backup camera. Okay, rear of the vehicle looks good. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in great shape here. It's a 2015. Okay, it's got 95,000 miles on it. Exterior's in great shape. Alright, it's a clean Carfax, one owner, local trade. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Let me go ahead and get this key out real quick. Alright, door panels. Kind of got the gray and black door panels. They're in good shape. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay. It does have gray leather seating. It's a power driver's seat. Driver's seat looks good. Just a little bit of wear right there from getting in and out of the vehicle. You can see that line going through there. It's not ripped or torn. Okay, just a little wear there, and that's to be expected. The vehicle with this many miles. Give you a shot of the sunroof. Alright, you got two keyless entry key fobs. Alright, slide this up here. Got you some storage, cup holders there. And then your center armrest here. It's got USB, auxiliary, and a power outlet there. Passenger seat leather's in good shape. Alright, everything looks good there. It is an automatic. Okay, got your dual climate controls, and you got controls here for the rear air and rear heat. Okay, it's got heated seats. AM FM CD player. Alright, you're going to have your radio display right there. Okay, and the backup camera as well, and we'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Got your cruise control over here on this side. Steering wheel audio controls here and Bluetooth. Alright, let's go ahead and check the mileage. Alright, it's got 95,699 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you your radio display here. Alright, you got your climate control display right there. Alright, AM, FM, CD player, and then your controls to the climate there, or the air conditioning and heat. It's right here. Got your heated seats on either side here. Got your dual climate controls here. Alright, and then you can control the rear air and rear heat from right here as well. Alright, AC's on, AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. I'm going to take you back up here to the radio display. I'm going to engage the backup camera. Alright, it's got the guidelines on there. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and step out. We'll go to the back seat. Alright, it is a third row Pilot. Okay. There are 3 rows. Alright, this is the second row. Door panels in great shape. Back seat carpet looks good. No staining back there. Okay. Here's your rear air and rear heat. Got a power outlet here. Second row leather's in great shape. No problems at all here. Got the center armrest that comes down. Got your cup holders there. Okay. You can simply pop this right here and access the third row. And as you can see, it's down right now. Got your protector mat here. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at it back here when the seats are down. Okay, as you can see, you got a ton of room back here. You got the protector mat, power outlet here. We can pull this mat out. Just lay it right here, and then you can simply grab these handles. Alright, pull the seats up. Alright, now you can see how it kind of cuts into the storage there, but it does allow you to have 3 rows of seating. And then here we'll get a shot of the seats. Alright, third row leather looks great. Small little crease right here in the leather. It's not ripped or torn, it's just laid down on the seat belt buckle there, and that's created a little bit of a crease in the leather. But it's not ripped, it's not torn. The third row leather is in really good shape. Alright. And then once again, to get the seats down, you simply just push the handle down. Seats will come down very easily. And I'm doing all this with one hand. Let's put the mat back in there. Alright, and then the power lift gate. Simply press that button there to engage. Nice and smooth coming down. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got, let's see here, 18-inch alloys. Okay, alloys are in great shape. Brand new set of tires on here. Okay, right, once again, it's a 2015, 95,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Okay, it's a local trade. This thing's in fantastic condition for 95,000 miles. Interior looks good, exterior looks good. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.